Okay, I think we can start. I will start with you, Tanapan, all right? So I will share the screen.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, good morning, Morijanon, Kensuan.
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, all right, students, let's begin. Okay, so once again, welcome to our hybrid class. Right now, we don't have on-site students. We only have online students, okay? So my name is Teacher Carla, and today I will be teaching in science for Matayom 2/1. Okay, we will continue with the table of profiles of the planets. Okay, let's begin first. Before we do that, by reading first our vocabulary words. So, Morijanon and Tanapan, please help me read the words. First word is distance. Again, distance.
Distance.
Okay, one more time, distance.
Distance.
Okay, spell distance. D.
Distance. Distance.
Okay, very good. Second word is surface. Surface.
Surface.
Okay, one more
Surface.
time. All right, very good. Can you please spell the word surface? S.
Surface. Surface.
Okay, very good. And the last word is gravity. Repeat after me, gravity.
Gravity.
Okay, let's spell together. G.
Gravity. Gravity.
Very good. Now let's try to do the dictation on our word wall. Okay, we need to find out which of these words is the correct word. Okay, so Tanapan and Morijanon. Which is the correct answer for distance? A, B, or C?
B.
B. Okay, again, letter B is correct. Very good. Okay, how about the word number 2, surface, which is the uh, correct spelling, A, B, or C? Surface, what is the correct spelling, A, B, or C?
A.
A is correct. Okay, very good. And the last word, okay, the last word, gravity, which is the correct answer, A, B, or C? Which is the correct?
C.
Letter C is? Letter C is correct. Okay, very good, students. Okay, hello, what did you present? Glad to join, hope that so happy to see you joining. Okay, let's get back to our lesson. Okay, so the answer that we will answer is what is the distance of Earth from the Sun? Okay, on tables of 8 planets profile. Everybody get your books and open it on page 45. Okay, we finish on page 45. Okay, do you have your books? Okay. So last meeting, we talked about the information of planets. Okay? So can you tell me, Tanapan, what is the distance from the sun of Uranus? How many million kilometers?
2,900 million kilometers.
Very good. How about Morijanon? What is the number of moons in Mars?
Two.
Two. Very good. How about Warit? You present. Okay. What is the temperature in Jupiter? What is the surface temperature in Jupiter? Warit, you present. Are you there? Okay, how about Morijanun? Can you answer? What is the surface temperature of Jupiter?
Negative 138. 1038.
138.
138.
Okay, very good, Morijanun. Good job. Okay, so that's what we talked about on our last meeting, right? The diameter, the distance from the sun, which is in million kilometer, time taken to orbit the sun, or this is the sun, is how long or the length of each planet go around the sun, and time taken to make one spin, or like the earth. How long does it make to make one spin? Earth is 1 day, okay? 1 day. And others are more faster and others are more slower, okay? Can you tell me which planet is the slowest, okay, is the slowest or slowest planet to make one spin? What planet is that? What planet is the slowest planet to make one spin? Here, in length of day. Okay, do you know? Okay, so we can see that Venus takes 243 days to make one spin. Okay, so it's very slow. Okay, so Earth is just 1 day, it go around in 1 day. It's 24 hours, right? But Venus is slower because it takes 243 days to move around. Okay, how about what planet is the fastest planet to make one spin? Tanapan. Tanapan, can you answer? Tanapan? Okay, Tanapan is gone. Okay. Tiansuan, do you know which planet is the fastest planet to make one spin? Which planet is the fastest to go around?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Okay, let's see. Jupiter 9.8 hours, 10. Okay, very good. Jupiter is the fastest, okay? Jupiter is the biggest planet, right? And Jupiter is also the fastest to make one spin. Imagine only 9.8 hours. Okay, so if we have 24 hours, right? So Jupiter can move twice spin on Earth, right? Faster than Earth, like twice. It can move two spin in 24 hours. So Jupiter is the fastest planet to move around. Okay. All right, now let's move on to the second table. Okay, Tanapan. Can you answer me, Tanapan?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, teacher.
What is the atmosphere on Jupiter?
Nitrogen, methane, helium, and ammonia.
Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, so the atmosphere in Mercury, it's no air and no water. So Mercury is not habitable, okay? No one can live in Mercury because there is no air and there is no water. No one can live in Mercury. Let's see about Venus. Venus is, at its atmosphere is made of carbon dioxide and vapor of different acids. Okay, so there's there's a lot of carbon dioxide and acids. Let's see Earth. Earth has air that includes nitrogen and oxygen. So this is livable. Okay, we can go to Earth. We can stay in Earth without wearing mask. Okay, without wearing like an astronaut suit. Okay, because we are safe in Earth. Next, Mars is atmosphere is carbon dioxide and nitrogen and little of vapor. And Jupiter, as Tanapan said, it has nitrogen, methane, helium, and ammonia. And we have Saturn. The atmosphere in Saturn is made up of hydrogen and helium. Next, the atmosphere in Uranus is hydrogen, helium, and methane. Okay, and lastly, or the Neptune, its atmosphere is hydrogen, helium, and methane. So you can see the 4 gas planets, which is from Jupiter. Okay, the nitrogen, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. You can notice that the atmosphere is mostly made of gas. Okay, so there's methane, there's helium. They all have helium and methane. Okay, that's why they are called the gas giant planets. Okay, so also Pluto, the last former planet, is also composed of nitrogen and methane. Okay. All right. Next, can I ask? Okay, Warrington, you're here. Warrington, what is the atmosphere in Mars? Warrington. No? Okay, Tiansuan, can you help me? What is the atmosphere in Mars?
Carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide and nitrogen and little vapor.
Okay, very good. Okay, Tanapan, what is the atmosphere on Earth?
That included nitrogen and oxygen.
Okay, very good. Okay, so that is the surface atmosphere. Now let's move on to the special features. Okay, this special features. Everybody repeat after me. Special features. Again.
Special features.
Okay, special features. Let's see. Let's start with Mercury. So Mercury, craters, no atmosphere. Okay, so Mercury is mainly composed of craters. Okay, craters, and there is no atmosphere. Okay, now let's move on to Venus. Venus, atmosphere of poisonous gas. Okay, so we can see that Venus is not habitable. Okay, because it has poisonous gas. Okay, if human go to Venus, they will die easily. Because Venus is also the hottest planet. Remember? Venus is the hottest planet. That's why it produces poisonous gas. Okay? This carbon dioxide and vapor of different acid. Okay? It's different acid. That's why it's very poisonous. Okay, next. We have the Earth. Earth's special feature is only planet with life. Okay? So Earth is the only planet with life because we are here, okay? We are here in planet. That's why we are living because planet is the only planet, Earth, that is good for all living things, okay? Next, Mars. Mars is Mars special features is rocky surface and rusty red soil. Okay, rusty red soil. That's why we see Mars as color reddish brown, right? Reddish brown because its soil is reddish. Okay, red. And its surface is rocky. Okay, so as you can see, in the first planet, there's crater. Okay, crater. Earth with life. So Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, they are all terrestrial planets because they are mainly composed of rocks or metals and with solid surface. Okay, these four. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The Jupiter. So Jupiter is the largest planet, no solid surface. Okay, so Jupiter, although it is the largest planet, you cannot land in Jupiter because you are going to float. Because unlike Earth, there is a solid surface, but Jupiter has no solid surface. Okay, you cannot walk, you cannot land an airplane or even a shuttle. Next, Saturn. Saturn has colorful rings. Okay, so we know that Saturn has 7 colorful rings. Okay. Next, Uranus' special feature is it spins on its sides. Okay, it spins on its side. So it just spins on its side. Okay, spins on its side. Next, special features of Neptune, strongest winds in the solar system. Okay, so we know that Neptune, they discovered that in Neptune, there is very strong winds. Okay, so it is recorded that the strong winds in Neptune is the strongest amongst the planets. Okay, so here on Earth, we experience storm. Okay, we experience typhoon. But in Neptune, it is greater. Okay, or it's very strong in Neptune. Okay. Lastly, the former planet Pluto has furthest and smallest planet. Okay, that is the feature of Pluto. Furthest or the former planet that is far away from the sun, the last far away from the sun, and also the smallest one amongst all the planets in the solar system. Okay, now let's see if you will remember. Okay, Tanapan, which
Yeah, teacher.
planet, which planet has rocky surface and rusty red soil? Which planet
Question.
has, again,
Yeah, teacher.
again,
Then question again, teacher.
which planet has rocky surface and rusty red soil?
Mars.
Mars, very good. Another one. Which planet spins on its side? Tanapan.
Yes, teacher.
Which planet spins on its side?
Uranus.
Uranus is very good. Okay, Tensuan, it's your turn. Which planet is the largest planet and no solid surface?
Jupiter.
Very good. Which planet has atmosphere of poisonous gas? Tensuan.
Venus.
Venus. Very good. How about Intarajan? Can you answer now? Intarajan?
Yes.
Okay, which planet spins on its side?
Uranus.
Very good. Another one. Intarajan. Which planet has the strongest wind in the solar system?
Neptune.
Neptune. Very good, students. Okay, so that is the end of the table of 8 planets profile. Okay, so you can review that. Okay. Now let's try to do the summary, okay? Okay. Let's answer this right now. Saturn's rings. How many are there in Saturn? How many rings?
7.
7.
Okay, let's see. 7 rings. Okay. Next, Jupiter's distance from the sun. What is the answer? Jupiter's distance from the sun. What is the answer?
780.
Okay, 780 million kilometers. Very good. Okay, how about Earth's gravity? What is Earth's gravity? One times 243 days or negative 220?
1 time.
One time. Okay. I think I forgot to discuss that, but you can see it in the table, right? Next, Neptune's surface temperature. What is a Neptune surface temperature?
Negative 220.
Negative 220. Okay, let's put negative 220. Okay, how about Venus one spin? How many days?
243 days.
Okay, good job. All right, so that's it for our summary. Okay, good job. Okay, so let's see what exercise did we do. Let's try to answer the exercise, okay? Because we still have time. Okay, can you see it, students?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so name the 8 planets in order from the sun. So which is the closest one? What is number 1?
Mercury.
Mercury is Okay, Mercury is correct. Okay. Okay, number 1 is Mercury. Ay. Okay. So number 1. How about number 2? What is the second planet?
Venus.
Venus. Okay. This is number 2. Okay. And what is the third planet?
Earth.
Earth. Very good. So Earth is number 3. How about number 4? What is the fourth planet here?
Mars.
Okay, very good. Okay, how about the fifth planet? I think it's the biggest planet. What is the biggest planet?
Jupiter.
Jupiter, very good. Okay, what is the sixth planet with rings?
Saturn.
Saturn. Okay, where is my pen? Okay, Saturn. Okay, 6. Okay, how about the seventh planet? What is the seventh planet?
Uranus.
Uranus. Okay. What is the eighth planet?
Neptune.
Neptune. And the former planet and the smallest of them is
Pluto.
Pluto. Okay. Where is my pen? Okay, Pluto. Okay, so students, you need to write the words here, okay? Because I cannot write it. It's hard. Okay, so if you finish, you can pass it to me. Tanapan, you already write in the book? Tanapan,
Yes, teacher.
can I see it? Can you
Yes.
show me?
Teacher.
Wait, I cannot.
Yes. I'm sent to teacher.
Can I see?
Yes, teacher.
Can I see your book?
Yes.
You take a photo already?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, everybody please take a photo of the book and send to me. Now. Can I see your book, Tanapan? Okay, you already sent that? Okay, good job. How about the others? If you haven't sent your exercise or activity plan, please send it, okay? Okay, do you have any questions, students? Do you have any questions?
No, teacher.
Okay, so next week we will start our review for your midterm test, okay? We will have our, I think, midterm on the 1st January, okay, next year. But we will start our review with our topic. Okay. What else? Yeah, I will stop sharing my screen. Okay, let's wait for the others to send their work. Let's wait about 2 minutes.